I am so thrilled to be an Island Batik Ambassador this year. They sent me some wonderful fabrics to work with. Let me show you. Here we go, folks. I am so excited to open my box from Island Batik. So you are seeing the raw footage here of me opening my Island Batik Ambassador shipment. You guys, I can't even, this is so exciting. Oh, be still my heart. That needs to be set aside. Okay, I just had to check my notes. That was the Glacier Bay pre-cut bundle. They gave us 2.5-inch strips plus some coordinating yardage. This collection will ship to stores in May of 2021, so you can look for it in a few months. There is a nice little welcome note from Schmetz. They are one of the partners, and I've got a fabulous collection of needles. So I will dig into that, and you'll be hearing more about my sewing with Schmetz. Another fun package marked surprise. So they start you off with some coordinates, some basics there in neutrals. I've got a white, gray, and black, and those will be fabulous basics, core items in the quilt designs for this year. This is Starry Night by Kathy Engel. It will be available in February of 2021, that's going to be hard to say. And look at those fabulous blues, all the way from a very light white with a little bit of shading there on it, and all of these fabulous blues, true blue quilts. They nailed it there with that collection. Hobbs Batting is another one of the industry partners. I have been using Hobbs pretty exclusively in my quilts for several years, so this is a great inclusion. I'm happy to partner with Hobbs Batting. And look at the fun from Aurifil. Aurifil is, again, one of my standard threads for piecing, and I've got a nice selection there of some neutrals and a pretty purple, and then two that are kind of a gray green. This one's a little more teal. This one's almost you know, right there in between light gray and green. So those will 30 weight and 30, 40, and 50. Or no, I guess just 40 and 50. But yeah, I'll dig into those and give you details as I use those. And the second box. They really know how to spoil us. You guys, fabric lovers dream here. Some fun swag for little buttons for Island Batik, and some pretty purple rayon. Love that. And the kitty has to explore the box. Beautiful purple rayon, so that will be fun. I'm excited to dig into the Mystery collection. This pre-cut bundle is 10-inch squares, and again with a light and dark coordinating fabric that I am really excited to design with. The Mystery fabric is in stores in February of 2021, so look for it at your favorite store that stocks Island Batik fabrics. Bundles of red. Won't that be fun to incorporate against some of these blues? And some brown neutrals. I love these. Love, love, love. Great, great fun. Okay, some coordinating fabric. Everything is labeled for us. A wonderful neutral there. It's in that really light blue turquoisey accent shade. This is rice. Wonderful yardage there to use with all my projects. And these are the foundations. You can see they chose some blues in there, some yellow accents, purples. Oh gosh, I love playing with all these fun batiks. So it'll be fun to get these out and show you exactly what we are doing with these different colors. And then a variety of battings, again from Hobbs. We've got a black, some polyester, so that'll be fun, give it that really puffiness, and some of their cotton batting. So a nice selection there of Hobbs batting to play with. Yay! Thank you, Island Batik. Okay, here we go with the unboxing of my Accuquilt system. This was part of the ambassador program for Island Batik, and I am thrilled. I have, like many quilters, have been fascinated by Accuquilt for years, and I got the Go system. This is going to be awesome for making my projects this year with Island Batik fabric. And let's see what other dyes I got from Accuquilt. So much fun. Thank you to Accuquilt and to Island Batik. Oh, fun. I got the Arkansas Traveler. These crossed blocks with diamonds will be so much fun to play with. So I can't wait to do that. And then this is just the cutting mat for the Go system. So you layer your fabric there, put the dye down, and run it through the system. So those are my treats from Accuquilt, and please check out truebluequilts.com/blog, and I will have a more in-depth description of each of these items. So it's going to be a wonderful journey in 2021 with all these fun projects from Island Batik. And if you're looking for a way to organize all your unfinished projects, stay tuned. I'm addressing that in the next video.